Hello everyone, welcome back to study solidworks. Yes, today we design a sock pie. Yes, let's start together. Yeah. Select news, part, click OK. Select front plan, sketch, select line and draw a line from origin to this point and connect to this point. Okay, exit, add smart dimension. Yeah, 32 millimeter, and this line 20 millimeter. Yeah, from this point to this point. Yeah, 62 millimeter. Yes, click OK. Yes, move it up. Yeah. Yes, select ellipse or fillet. Select fillet. Yeah, enter fillet parameter. Yeah, click OK. Yeah, skirt extrude. Yeah, select right plane, sketch. Yes, select normal 2, select line, draw line from origin to this point and connect from this point to this point. Yeah, exit. Select smart dimension. Yeah, this point is 62. Yeah, and this line 30 millimeter. Yeah, click OK and select fillet. Yeah, click here. Yeah, click OK. Yes, exit sketch. Okay. Yeah, select core, select project core. Yeah, select this line. Yes, click OK. Yeah, now we get like this. Yeah, select sweep both base. Yeah, select circular profile. Select here and enter diameter 15 millimeter. Click OK. Yes, high cost one. Yes, select right plane. Yes, click here. Click OK. Yeah. Now finish for mirror. Yeah. We get this surface. Yeah. Select fillet. Enter radius 5 mm. Yeah. Click here. Okay. Select curvature continuous. Yes. Click OK. Yes. Now we get like this. Okay. select share. Yeah, click this surface and this surface. Yes, enter parameter 2 and select show preview. Okay, click OK. Yes, now we get like this. Yeah, we get the pie. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Now we select the surface, select sketch and select no more tool. Yeah. Select this cycle and select convert entity. Yeah. Select cycle. Draw cycle from origin. Yeah. Draw one more cycle. Yes, click OK. Add smart dimension. 25 millimeter and this cycle 20 millimeter. Yeah, click OK. Select feature and click extrude both base. Yeah, click here. Yeah, and enter dip. Yeah, 4 and select direction. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Preview. Yeah. And click OK. Yeah. Yes. Select skate 15. Yes. Select extrude and select this point and this point. Yeah. Enter dip. 5 and select direction. Yeah. And select skate plan and select offset. Yeah, enter offset value. Yeah, 4 select offset direction. Yeah, click OK. Yeah, now we get like this. Okay, select chamfer. Enter distance. Yeah, 3 and select this surface and click OK. Yes, OK. Yeah. Select chamfer again. Yeah, select this point and enter distance. Yes, 2 millimeter. Click OK. Yes, yeah, yeah, we get like this. Yeah. Okay. Zoom. Yeah. Now select this surface. Okay. Select sketch and select no more tool. Yeah. Yeah. Select strength slot. Yeah. Draw from this point to this point. Yeah. And draw the strength slot. Yeah. Exit. Enter dimension. Yes. 13 millimeter. Click OK and select cycle. Draw cycle here. Yeah. Draw one more cycle. Yeah. And this point, draw one cycle and one more cycle. Yeah. Yeah. Click OK. Enter dimension. Yeah. This cycle is 10 millimeter and this cycle 4.5 millimeter. Okay. And this cycle is the same. Yeah. 10 millimeter and the in cycle is 4.5 millimeter. Click OK. Select stream entity. Yes, stream here and here. Yeah, OK. Click OK and select this and click convert entity, and this point is the same. Yeah. Select feature, select extrude boss base. Yeah. Click here. Yeah. Here and here. Yeah. Enter dip 5 millimeter and click direction. Yeah. Yeah. Preview to make sure the direction and this. Yes. Click OK. Okay. Yes. Now we get like this. Yeah. Yes. This is a sock pie. A sock manifold. Yeah. Yeah. Select chamfer and enter distance. Yeah. Select here, here, and here. Yeah. And here. Yeah. Okay. Click OK. Yeah. Yes. Now we get, yes, the ASOC manifold. Yeah. Yeah. Enter the color. Yeah. Yes. You can choose another color that you want and you like. Yeah. Yes. Now I choose. Yeah. Yes. There are many color. Yes. Now choose this. Yeah. Now finish for ASOC manifold design. Yeah. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more video design and study in SolidWorks. Yeah. If you have any question, you can comment on YouTube channel. Okay.